We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Waylay faucet. This is provided by the homeowner, and there is your model number right there. And so the faucet went together real good. Unfortunately, both of these shutoff valves did not work. So hot and cold wouldn't shut down. So first thing, we shut the water down and replaced the valves. So you got brass craft quarter turn valves on. That's the cold one. That's the hot one. And so now, if you want to use them, it's just quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And then we give you a new disposal. The disposal was way past due. It was rusted completely through. We couldn't even detach it like a normal disposal. So we had, and that's stainless steel, so we had to take a sawzall and actually cut the flange apart. So no big deal. It came out, no damage, nothing wrong. So got the old one out, new one's back in. We got your new putty and new mounting flange, and of course 1/3 horsepower disposal with a new line cord. And then your dishwasher hose is tied back in. That's your hose. And we replumbed this back here. You had a bunch of stuff going on back here, 22s, couplings, all kinds of configuration, and then an accordion hose coming over to the drain, and we didn't like that, so we give you a brand new schedule. Actually, it's a tubular P-trap. There's a little adapter back there, and then a tubular P-trap, tubular extension, and then a tubular kit for the waste over to the disposal. So that's the telescoping kit, and then that tailpiece is ours, that nut is ours. That's your basket strainer. It's the only thing left on the kitchen sink that's original, and it's not leaking, so we just left that alone. We've run less water down it, turned it on and off, everything was good. Outside of that, this installation is done.